How to generate images in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily generate images on Perplexity AI. So to get started, open Perplexity AI and then enter the command that you want to use in here for generating the image, and make sure to mention creating an image for the specific command, and then hit on the send button, and then Perplexity AI will then generate the image for you. So as you can see, you can also find reference images and links for that specific command that you've entered, and then once you head back to the answer tab, you'll be able to find the image of that specific description that you've gave Perplexity AI. So you can also regenerate the image by clicking on the regenerate button. You can download this image and share it depending on your preference, and that is how you can basically generate images in Perplexity AI.